CGK can offer you a total solution, from safe working with chemicals to storage, piping, insulation and so on. Georg Fischer stands for high quality, innovative products. All our valves we have in stock are standardized on Georg Fischer. We contact Georg Fischer almost on a daily basis for our tenders and projects. Our clients demand more and more safer and durable installations. Double-walled piping is commonly used and almost becoming the standard. Also, infrared welding is no longer an exception, but is daily coded and ordered in our projects.
This advanced chemical dosing installation, designed and implemented by CGK-Group, utilizes state-of-the-art components from GF piping systems to ensure the safe transport of sulfuric acid, sodium hydroxide and phosphoric acid. Meet the team behind this innovative project. Robin Claeys, project leader at CGK-Group, has led this initiative with expertise and precision.
I coordinate chemical installation projects and make sure they are finished in time for our customers. To finish this successfully, I lead a team of skilled welders. I also design the 3D drawings and order the components that are needed to build the installation.
From GF Piping Systems, we have Margot Pennewaerde, whose collaboration was crucial to the project's success.
So we have, of course, a lot of products at GF, and so if the customer has different requirements or the requirements are changing, we have a lot of options that we can also provide. So one of the customized solutions that we provided are our temperature sensors, but with a special 3-clamp connection. So this is a hygienic connection, very clean, which is important for the customer, and in that way we can help them to find the best solution possible.
We as GF, as the innovators of IR-welding technology, as well as PVCU piping systems, decided to combine our expertise and create an IR-PVCU welded system. In high demanding applications, IR-PVCU is the right choice to achieve a long-lasting installation while having an improved chemical resistance, especially in the joint, also allows for a documented installation process and reduces also the risk of human error during installation.
Let's take a closer look at the installation process. Our skilled installer demonstrates the IR-welding of PVCU piping systems, ensuring secure and leak-proof connections. The precision of IR-welding guarantees the integrity of the entire system, providing a safe environment for chemical transport. This installation will be put into production at BioBase in Gent.